Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How Logical. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download the DEGIRO app on your iOS device. So, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, go to your App Store and make a search for DEGIRO. You should be able to find this app named DEGIRO Online Trading App. Just click on it and hit the download button. It might take a while, so please have patience. Now as you can see, the app is already downloaded. You just have to open the app and click Allow All Cookies. Now you can either open an account or log in the existing account. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to give thumbs up. Comments with feedbacks are appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.